Today we are going to learn how to edit our indoor image on Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial by Farzan for tutorials from A to Z. So let's first of all create a new file. I'll rename this one to indoor image. Now our file is now created here. So what will I do? I will cut this image out by using the pen tool. I will do it a little fast. Our path is now closed, so all I have to do is right click and click on make selection. I'll press OK. Now our selection is done. So what will I do? I will press this icon to make a layer mask. As you guys can see, the layer mask is now created over here. And now I will zoom my pic in. And I will right click on my layer mask. I will refine the mask. Okay, so I will zoom a little bit more. Oh, that's too much, I think. Yeah, this much would be okay. Let's take the brush and brush the outline over here. So let's do it a little fast. Okay, we are done with refining our mask. So now I will press OK. Let's zoom out. Okay, that's cool. So let's take this picture and put this over here. Let's manage this one. I think it is okay in here. Yeah, so let's take this picture and put it over here like this, and let's put it below the this image, and I will resize this image. Okay, the background is looking pretty much okay. And now let's add a gradient. Okay, let's put this over our both layers, and now let's double click here to edit once again. I'll put down the scale to a little bit lower let's put it down. Let's lower the scale once again. A little bit more, and very cool. Okay, let's add another gradient as well. Let's put this to 0 angle and change the color into red. Okay, and again okay, and add another gradient. I will put this to 180. The color should be blue. Okay, press OK. Once again OK. So I will change the blending mode for my blue gradient and also my red gradient, both to color like this, and I will decrease the opacity as well. I'll decrease them both to about 70. Yeah, this is now looking a little bit okay. And now let's zoom in. As you guys can see, the outline of this image over the hair is not looking so cool. So I will take the burn tool and brush over my object to make this place a little darker. Okay, it's looking cool now. So for a while I will shut the eye off for my gradients, and I will zoom in, and I will select the Fine touching, this tool, healing brush tool. I will increase a little bit in size, a little more. That would be okay. I'll retouch a little bit the face of my model. So let's do it a little fast. So we are done with retouching our model's face. So I will turn the eye on for my gradients. And now I will apply the layer mask. So the layer mask is now disappeared, and now I will do some adjustments on colors and brightness. okay. Let's do something with the levels as well. Press OK, and let's do some changes to curves as well. Okay, so our image is now looking pretty much cool, as you guys can see right in here. This one is looking cool as well. So let's add the text. As you guys can see, I added some text right over here to make our image look cool as much as possible. So I wrote a quote from Albert Einstein over here: the smarter you get, the less you talk. Let's do this in here as well. That's looking cool. So let's do these texts as well. I will change the font. I will change the text to Times New Roman. I will increase the size. Let's add a line over here like this. I will change the color to white. That's looking cool, and I will add another text. I will change the font to Calibri. I would like to put this to light. There we go. I will increase the size of this text a little bit more. That is looking cool. So I will hold down the control button and click over this image, and now I will rasterize the success text, and I will press delete button to erase these parts over my model, and I'll control D to deselect, and our image is now ready. This was our today's tutorial, so thanks for watching, and press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet to get notified of our new videos, our new tutorial videos. And like, comment, share this video to your friends if you liked this tutorial. And until the next video, goodbye.